Such News Jammu and Kashmir. Khwaja Sharjeel. National News. DMK supporters continue to celebrate outside party headquarters in Chennai as official trends show the party leading on 118 seats so far. Election Commission of India has banned any victory procession amid the COVID-19 situation in the country. Madhupur. JMM leader Hafizul Hassan leading in Baipal to Madhupur assembly seat in Jharkhand. Delhi. Official told SAC News that Delhi's Madhukar Rainbow Children Hospital oxygen stock down to few minutes, 50 people including 4 newborns on oxygen support. Kolkata. After a keenly contested 8-phased assembly election 2021 in West Bengal and 3-phased polls in Assam, the counting of votes is currently underway in the two states under the watchful eyes of the Election Commission since 8 a.m. on Sunday, May 2, 2021. As per the initial trends, West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee's party TMC has taken an early lead and the ruling party is ahead of the BJP in Bengal. The Trinamool Congress has crossed the halfway mark of 147 seats in West Bengal as per available trends. The ruling TMC is currently leading in 168 seats, while the BJP is leading in 101 seats at 10:50 am. But the TMC chief appears to be losing the prestigious Nandigram seat battle to her BJP rival Suvendu Adhikari, who is leading with over 8,000 votes as of now. Meanwhile, the BJP has maintained a comfortable lead over Congress in Assam and touched the majority mark. As per the trends, the Saffron Party is leading on 69 seats, while Congress on 39 seats in Assam, while others won 1 seat. The much awaited results are being updated every minute on the Election Commission of India's website. Stay tuned to Such News Jammu and Kashmir for latest updates. For videos, subscribe Such News on YouTube. This is SAC News Jammu Kashmir, the fastest news network of Jammu and Kashmir. You are listening news by Khwaja Sharjeel. Jammu, May 2nd, DIVCOM Jammu Raghav Langa to conduct inquiry in Batra Hospital Jammu deaths case. Corona curfew ending at 7 am on Monday the 3rd of May 2021 stands extended till 7 am on Thursday the 6th of May 2021 in 4 districts of Jammu or Kashmir: Srinagar, Baramulla, Budgam, and Jammu. The decision was taken during a high-level meeting chaired by Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, in which he passed specific directions for effectively controlling the spread of the coronavirus in the UT and providing best care to the patients. The Lieutenant Governor is closely monitoring the COVID scenario and is taking regular review meetings with the concerned departments in order to assess the situation across the UT. After analyzing the district-wise situation, the meeting decided to extend Corona curfew for 3 more days in the above-mentioned 4 districts. A reassessment of the situation will be taken before the 6th of May for laying down further action plan. Instructions were issued to the concerned officers for continuing micro-containment zoning as per requirement. Now national news. Election Commission of India writes to Chief Secretaries of all states, UTS, to prohibit victory celebrations urgently. AC also directs that responsible SHOs and other officers must be suspended immediately and criminal and disciplinary actions must be initiated against them. Kerala. This is a significant victory as in past 40 years no got re-elected for second successive term. This shows people of Kerala have appreciated performance of Pinarayi Vijayan got, the way it tackled floods, COVID or pro-people development. CPIM's Prakash Karat on LDF leading in Kerala. Subscribe our YouTube channel SAC News Jammu and Kashmir for quick news. This is Such News Jammu and Kashmir and you're listening news by Khwaja Sharjeel. Jammu, May 4th, former J&K legislator Thakur Kashmira Singh passed away due to COVID-19. Thakur Kashmira Singh, ex-MLC and National Conference leader, passed away at Military Hospital Jammu on Tuesday morning due to COVID. New Delhi, May 3rd, in an advisory to states, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, copy with CTN, said that it is extending the validity of fitness, permit, driving license, registration and other documents whose extension of validity could not be granted due to lockdown and which had expired since February 1, 2020, or would expire by March 31, 2021. It is advised that the validity of the documents that have expired since February 1, the same may be treated to be valid till June 30, 2021, the ministry said in an advisory to states. Enforcement authorities are advised to treat such documents valid till June 30, 2021, the MOT said, adding that this will help out citizens in availing transport-related services. Jammu, May 4th, 3-day state mourning is a mark of respect to Shri Jagmohan, former governor of Jammu and Kashmir, who passed away on the 3rd of May 2021. New Delhi, May 4. The Indian Premier League IPL 2021 has been suspended for the time being after an SRH player tested positive ahead of their scheduled match against Mumbai Indians in Delhi today. Rising numbers of COVID positives within the IPL bio bubble have led to the suspension of the season midway. More news to follow after half. This is SAC News. You are listening. News read by Khwaja Sharjeel. Sopore, the 4th of May, gunfight broke out between militants and government forces in Natipora area of North Kashmir's Sopore on Tuesday afternoon. Sources said that a joint team of Army, CRPF and Jammu and Kashmir police laid a cordon and search operation in Natipora village of Sopore after having credible inputs about the presence of some militants in the area. As the joint team approached towards the suspected spot, the hiding militants fired upon forces, triggering off an encounter. Meanwhile, police official, while confirming the details, said gunfight is underway and further details will be shared.
SAC News. Jammu Kashmir Doda, a health worker was killed while 2 others were injured in a road accident near Chapnari Bhagwa Road in Doda district on Tuesday. An official told the news agency that a Maruti vehicle met with an accident in which one person died on the spot while 2 others got injured on Bhagwa Road near Chapnari. He identified the deceased as Lasa Sheikh, who was working in health department. The officials said that the injured persons were shifted to GMC Doda for treatment.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Such News. The news is read by Khwaja Sharjeel. Lieutenant Governor announces special financial incentives for COVID-19 warriors. Jammu, May 4. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha today approved special financial incentives for COVID-19 warriors of Health and Medical Education Department of J&K. Frontline workers of Health and Medical Education Department, J&K are rendering valuable services in the challenging COVID pandemic times for saving precious lives of the patients, observed the Lieutenant Governor. Although the services rendered by these COVID warriors cannot be compensated, still the UT government has decided to incentivize their efforts, the Lieutenant Governor added. Incentives are exclusively for those frontline workers who directly deal with COVID-19 patients. The decision will benefit more than 17,000 corona warriors, including resident doctors, medical officers, paramedical, nursing staff, drivers, and Class 4 employees. The incentive will be 10,000 rupees p.m. for resident doctors, PGs, and medical officers, 7,000 rupees p.m. for nursing and paramedical staff, and 5,000 rupees p.m. for drivers, sweepers, and attendants. The tenure of these incentives shall be initially for a period of 3 months and will be paid from May 2021 onwards. In view of surge in COVID-19 cases and to give a fillip to available medical services at this crucial juncture, the Lieutenant Governor also granted extension up to the 31st of December 2021 in favor of the faculty members, consultants, doctors working in SKIMS, Sora, Srinagar, Bemina, government medical colleges and health department who are going to retire from May 2021 to November 2021. The tenure in respect of the doctors presently undergoing various tenure postings with registrarship, demonstratorship, fellowship, senior, junior residency etc. in SKIMS, Sora, Srinagar, Bemina, government medical colleges of the Union Territory have also been extended up to the 31st of December 2021. The decision was taken to optimally utilize the experiences of these medical professionals to effectively deal with the evolving COVID situation.